Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make probiotic juice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of fresh, organic juice, such as apple or grape. Next, select your starter culture. A good option is the contents of 1 high-quality probiotic capsule or 1 tablespoon of liquid whey. Remember to ensure all your jars and utensils are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to prevent unwanted bacteria from growing. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful fermentation. Now let's get to the exciting part. Fermentation. Pour your 4 cups of juice into a clean 1-quart glass jar. Then, add your chosen starter culture. Stir gently to combine everything well. Cover the jar loosely with a breathable cloth or a lid that isn't airtight. This allows gases to escape. Place the jar in a warm spot, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it ferment for 1 to 3 days. You'll notice small bubbles forming. After the initial fermentation, you can enhance your juice's flavor and fizziness. First, strain the fermented juice through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl to remove any solids. Now is the perfect time to add extra flavor. Consider a few slices of ginger, a handful of berries, or a sprig of mint. For a fizzy drink, transfer the flavored juice into a swing-top bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Seal it tightly, and let it sit at room temperature for another 12 to 24 hours for a second fermentation. Once your probiotic juice has reached your desired level of fizziness and flavor, it's time to store it. Transfer the juice to airtight bottles and place them in the refrigerator. This will slow down the fermentation process significantly. For the best taste and probiotic benefits, aim to consume your homemade juice within 1 to 2 weeks. Enjoy about 4 to 8 ounces daily as a refreshing and gut-friendly beverage. Cheers to your health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.